बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? मैं हूं मोहम्मद आजम रियाज और आप देख रहे हैं जीएन न्यूज़ उर्दू।
Monkeypox case in NSW. NATO, US say Ukraine war likely to end through talks. What is HIMARS? The advanced rocket system US is sending Ukraine. Police say 4 killed in Oklahoma in new US gun rampage. Turkey seeks to tighten media control with fake news bill. Zelensky, 2 lakh Ukrainian children taken to Russia. Germany's Olaf Scholz defends record on arms to Ukraine. Why Ukraine's Severodonetsk is so important. Germany to send air defense systems to Ukraine. US lifts Cuba flight restrictions imposed under Trump. China has the power to take Taiwan, but it would cost an extremely bloody price. Russia accuses US of direct provocation. Death toll from torrential rains in northeast Brazil reaches 100. Turkey says Syria military operation to target Tal Rifat, Manbij. Yemen truce extends iron in the balancer day before end date. Turkey, man arrested after kicking elderly Syrian woman in video. World's 10 most neglected refugee crises all in Africa. Israeli forces kill Palestinian woman in occupied West Bank. More than 1 million people displaced in Myanmar. UN could Iraq's political gridlock be a good sign? Israel, UAE sign historic free trade deal. Iran lied using stolen nuclear documents. Israel Rohingya refugee deported from Kashmir to Myanmar reunited with family. Yasin industry causing huge environmental damage. WHO warns aspiring actor. Tourists among 22 killed in Nepal plane crash. Sri Lanka court suspends pardon to Rajapaksa aide Uminda Silva. India KK star Indian singer dies at 53 shortly after Kolkata concert agency summons Congress's Gandhis in money laundering. Probe in golden age of margins, Indian private refiners profit. North Korea's COVID outbreak getting worse, WHO Shanghai lockdown. The punishing cost on small businesses. Special Assistant to Prime Minister Hanif Abbasi resigns. Chairman NAB Justice, raid, Javed Iqbal's term is over.